This is the eyeball.
And that's Jeff back there.
Say hi, Jeff. What's up?
Moving.
I'm moving. Okay, so we'll start from the outer area to the inner structures of the eye. Number 17, you'll see here, that is the lacrimal sac. So all your tears, that's where it will start to drain out of your eye into the nasal
Cavity.
nasal something cavity. Nasal lacrimal cavity.
Nasal
There you go.
lacrimal cavity.
Okay. Alright, so let's break it open. This outer white layer is the sclera, and it's actually the same layer as this clear layer, which is the cornea. Altogether, it is the fibrous tunic.
Fibrous tunic.
Okay. And then the second layer is the choroid layer,
Vascular layer.
aka vascular layer. And we'll just go over to here. The colored area you see is the pupil, which is made up of a bunch of muscles. The whole is the pupil.
No, this one's the
Iris, I'm sorry, this is the iris, and then the whole is the pupil. And we'll break it open. Okay. Oh, that's good. And then the innermost layer is the neural tunic, also known as the retina. And then, so this is the anterior portion of the eye. This is where the pupil is. And you see this white layer here, that's the ciliary body, which has the ciliary muscles. And this, all of this red here, back here is the ora serrata. Okay. And then I think I'll go here. This clear circular thing, we can't actually take it out. This clear circular thing is a lens. From inside of the iris to the lens is filled with aqueous humor. Yes. And the anterior chamber is from the iris to
the lens.
And then the posterior chamber
Is from the lens back to the rest of the eye.
Oh, okay.
And that's the vitreous humor.
Right. Isn't there like two chambers to the anterior?
Yes.
Yeah.
The two chambers, anterior.
Iris to something, and then
Iris to
something,
lens, and the
that's something to
lens to iris, and iris to
okay,
okay, cornea to iris.
cornea to iris. Okay, sorry.
Cornea to iris is one of the chambers of the anterior cavity of the eye, and iris to lens is the second chamber of the anterior cavity of the eye, both with aqueous humor, which is replenished.
Right. So from here to here is the anterior chamber of the anterior cavity, and remove the cornea from the iris to the lens is the posterior chamber of the anterior cavity. All of the anterior cavity is filled with aqueous humor. Yes. Alright. Okay. We went over that stuff.
This is the vitreous humor.
There you go.
It's not labeled, but that's the vitreous humor.
From the lens to the retina is the posterior cavity. Shall we move to that?
Yeah.
Oh wait, one good thing to see on this model though. Okay, you want to go from? So this is the optic nerve, CN2. This where the optic nerve enters the eye is the blind spot.
Blind spot.
Yeah, it's blind spot. You see here, follow the optic nerve. This is the optic chiasm where it crosses. Okay, I think that's all. All this is good for. We'll go over the basics that we just did. Cornea, iris, pupil, lens, this clear thing. Sclera, choroid, choroid layer, and retina, and vitreous humor. What else we can do with this? Okay, here we go.
The yellow.
optic nerve
You're tax-free
to
after 90
CN2. I don't think we have to know that, but it's the
tax-free, so you get all the extra.
optic
You don't
nerve
have any
sheath.
bills because
And
Macula.
there we go, 21, if you can see it. Yes, that's the macula. Within the macula, you have the fovea, which has a large concentration of cones.
Cones for color, rods for black and white.
Very defined vision, very. And that's actually directly linear to
family separation.
the pupil.
The pupil.
So it ends up being, I was making
Oh, and then up here are the ciliary
Oh, there you go.
bodies, which are connected to the ciliary muscles.
Right, and that has suspensory ligaments coming out from it, which are connected to
To the lens and keep the
Stretch
lens
the
in
lens.
place.
Stretch the lens too when you're trying to see far
Far
distances.
away, thin, far away, thicker, close up.
I guess that's it.
you guys go